Today I'm gonna teach you how to uh get 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 empty paper. Instead of using an eraser to get it, here's how to do. First, click on this one that shows you the paint. Then go to felt tip pen hard and go to 100 or 1000. Then click on this square and then use the white tool. And that's it. That's how you get hit blank paper. But but how do you erase it? Well, I'm gonna show you how. So if you have blank paper, then and you can just erase the blank paper you already have, and that's it. You put that's how you put the empty paper and erase the empty paper. That's all. Bye.